And here it is, the brand new Meta Quest 3S. Starting at only $299, this might be one of the best values that I've ever seen in VR. It packs the latest Snapdragon processor. It can now also do mixed reality, so it can play all the Quest 3 games. And it even includes Batman Arkham Shadow, which would normally set you back $50. And you can even get $30 of free Quest Store credit if you use the referral link down in the description of this video. So much value. In this video, I'm going to unbox this and show you what you get for your 299 bucks. So nice to have you back on the channel. My name is Sebastian, and if you're excited about virtual reality, then absolutely subscribe to this channel here and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. Alright, here it is. This is the Quest 3S box. It is kind of small, and I'm kind of looking what's inside it because $299 is just so good for a VR headset. Now I got the 256GB version. It was sent to me by Meta. Thanks so much for this. For you guys, I would not recommend the 256GB version because it's so close in price to the Quest 3, and then you should better just get the Quest 3. Alright, let's check out what's in the box here, and yeah, so this is how it looks when you open it for the first time. It's very nicely put there, and actually this thing here, this stand, you can keep on using it. You don't even need to buy a third-party stand. And for a cardbox stand, it looks pretty nice. Okay, but now let's check out first the controllers, and these are exactly the same controllers that also come with the Quest 3. These controllers are the industry standard. They are so nicely built, they work so well, you know, it's just high quality controllers. And then we get these kind of controllers in a package that costs only $299 is truly insane. I seldom use insane in my titles and in my videos, but yeah, it is really insane. Okay, so these controllers are powered by a single AA battery, and this battery is gonna last for weeks, probably months. It's so good, and the Meta engineers have done a wonderful job. Okay, good. Let's move on to what else is here in the box. So here we have the power plug. Yeah, something that is, for example, not included in the Pico Ultra 4. Here it is in the box. It's an 8-watt charger, and of course there's also the USB-C to C cable in order to connect it. Yes, everything is there that you need. Yeah, check that out, Pico. Putting everything inside a box for $299. Also, there's the glasses spacer if you wear glasses, but instead of wearing glasses, better get lens inserts from Hans. Today's video is brought to you by Hans VR Lens Inserts. If you are a glasses wearer and consider buying the Quest 3S or Quest 3, you should get lens inserts to protect your original headset lenses. Hans VR offers high quality lenses at very reasonable prices, and they're sending out worldwide. Your lenses are going to be at your doorstep in only a couple of days, and you're raving about the customer service. So go to hansvr.com, get your lens inserts for Quest 3S or Quest 3 and use code MRTV for a 5% discount. Wow, did you see what I just did there? I put the sponsored ad directly in the right place when it was about glasses wearing. Wow, thumbs up for that. Alright, now let's get to the main event, the Quest 3S. And boy, does it look beautiful. It looks so nice, and it just looks like high quality. Typical Meta high quality. And again, $299? Are you kidding me? That is insane. Probably I should use that in the title. It is really so good. And yeah, it's 514 gram. It is not even so heavy. It's okay. It's nice. And it just looks good. I like the looks of it. Actually, I think it even looks a bit nicer than the Quest 3. Those 3 sensors that they put together, left and right, it reminds me a bit of my iPhone Pro, right? And it just looks better than the Quest 3 front, in my opinion. Let's get this off. And on the other side as well, of course. Alright, and here they are, the Quest 3S lenses. Of course, They're the same lenses like on the Quest 2, Fresnel lenses in 2024, something that we don't like to see so much, but in my review I talk a lot about those lenses. So yeah, check out my full review. The link is also in this video. And here we also have like this 3 positions, the 3 IPD positions, right? So yeah, for that part, the Quest 3 without a doubt is better. Here we only have one display, one 4K display. So yeah, that is something to keep in mind. The face gasket is very nicely done with some cloth material. Also feels actually very nice. It feels high quality. Yeah, it's much better than it was on the Quest 2 at the beginning. Can you remember this kind of material that it was made of? This is high quality and this will last way longer. Again, this does not feel like a $299 headset. This feels way more premium. Okay, let's get this off here and let's have a closer look here at the device. So yeah, it's cool. It looks cool. In my opinion, it's cool what you're getting here for $299. So we have microphones on the bottom, we have the on-off button, we have the volume rocker, yeah, everything we need. But there's one thing that's missing now, and it's the 3.5mm headphones jack. So if you wanted to connect something like the deluxe audio strap for an HTC, for example, this is not possible anymore. Yeah, but audio is okay in my opinion, and there's also other solutions if you do want to have headphones, like for example USB-C headphones or wireless headphones with a USB-C dongle, so that would work. Yeah, we have some more sensors here now as compared to the Quest 2. We have now like 2 depth sensors, to have depth correct pass-through. By the way, depths, I can hardly say this word, depths correct. Yeah, and sorry, it's not my first language, as you know. Yeah, and here you can simply take off the soft strap and then exchange it for some other strap, some Quest 3 strap, because they are compatible. Yeah, here's the USB-C connection in order to charge this or in order to connect this to your computer, and here are the loudspeakers. In my opinion, the sound is fine. I don't need to use headphones actually for this headset. Alright, and that's it. That's your Quest 3S. Alright, so here it is, the Meta Quest 3S, and as you can tell from the unboxing, super high quality, just as we know it from Meta, and wow, $299, this headset and these nice controllers. The value is crazy. Then Batman, $50 value, another $30 Quest store credit through the referral link, wow. So as always, let me put this on for the first time here. And yeah, it's a feeling that we know from the Quest 2, right? It's very similar. And this kind of soft strap is good if you want to use it for a short time or if you want to lean back or use it in bed. And I also like it when I'm traveling, so that makes the whole package much smaller. But of course, if you want to use it for longer times, I would recommend to get a third-party strap, and this is compatible with all the Quest 3 straps. For this video, I'm not going to give you my first impressions, since this was simply an unboxing video, because now you already get my full review and you can watch it here. And that's because I got this a few days earlier. So when this video publishes, you can also watch the full review of the Quest 3S here. So do that now. Yeah, so now you know what's in the box, what you get for $299. Again, the link that's going to give you $30 Meta store credit is down in the description of this video. So that's the best way to get this. You're getting the store credit and you're supporting this channel. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV, absolutely do this now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you want to talk with me or the community, or if you want to get all of the Quest games with 10% discount, then come to the MRTV Discord server, because there you get this discount codes for the Quest games and you're gonna meet the MRTV community. So the link is down in the description of this video. That's everything for this video. I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.